Hi, welcome to the Healthy Life channel. Vitamin C deficiency has the potential to cause a variety of health problems. This is because vitamin C is an essential nutrient that is beneficial for repairing body tissues, helping the absorption of iron, and maintaining healthy skin, blood vessels, and bones. Since vitamin C has many important functions for health, everyone is recommended to fulfill their vitamin C needs every day. Adult men are recommended to consume approximately 90 milligrams of vitamin C per day, while adult women, about 75 to 85 milligrams per day. While in children to adolescents, the recommended vitamin C intake is around 50 to 75 milligrams per day. Vitamin C deficiency usually occurs due to an unhealthy diet such as eating less fruits and vegetables or due to impaired absorption of vitamin C in the body. The following are some conditions that can occur if the body is deficient in vitamin C. 1. Skin problems. The body needs vitamin C to produce collagen, a protein that forms the skin layer and connective tissues of the body. Lack of vitamin C intake will reduce collagen levels in the body, which then has the potential to cause various skin problems, such as rough and dry skin. When vitamin C levels are low, a skin condition known as keratosis pilaris can develop. In this condition, the skin will look like bumpy chicken skin, with small pimple-like bumps appearing on the back of the upper arms or thighs due to the buildup of keratin protein inside the pores. Keratosis pilaris caused by vitamin C deficiency usually appears after 3 to 5 months of inadequate intake and resolves with supplementation. 2. Feeling tired easily. When you feel tired easily, it could be a symptom of vitamin C deficiency. If the body's need for vitamin C is not met, the process of converting fat into energy will be disrupted. In addition, vitamin C deficiency can cause the body's ability to absorb iron to decrease, increasing the risk of iron deficiency anemia. Lack of vitamin C, which has antioxidant properties, can also cause mood swings. 3. Red spots on the skin. The hair follicles on the surface of the skin contain many small blood vessels that supply blood and nutrients to the area. When the body is deficient in vitamin C, these tiny blood vessels can become brittle and break easily, causing small bright red spots to appear around the hair follicles. This condition is known as parafollicular bleeding. Taking a vitamin C supplement usually resolves these symptoms within 2 weeks. Knowing the signs of vitamin C deficiency is important for us to pay attention to the adequacy of our daily vitamin C intake. This video is for educational purposes only. If this video is useful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos.